Hey guys, welcome to New Zealand Numismatics. Today we have a New Zealand 2006 50-cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II's 4th effigy on the obverse here by Ian Rank Broadley. On the legend here it says New Zealand, Queen Elizabeth II and 2006. And here we have the designer's initials, IRB for Ian Rank Broadley. Here on the reverse is HMS Endeavour passing by Mount Taranaki. The Endeavour, Mount Taranaki, with the denomination 50 cents, and Endeavour on the bottom. This was designed by James Berry, JB. On the edge, it is plain unmilled. This coin is made using copper-plated steel. The weight is 5 grams. The diameter is 24.75 millimeters. Thickness is 1.7 millimeters. And this coin has a mintage of 70,200,000 at the Royal Canadian Mint in Winnipeg. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you next time.